Who did that? Who did that? Who did it? Who did that? Who did that? Follow those bees, grandson. Follow those bees. What are they doing to my baby? What are they doing to my baby? Who did that? What are they doing, Boo? Oh. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It's a good for the tummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Good for the tummy. Ooh. Yeah, that's a good one. Right there. Quick. It's on video. Oh, I'm sorry. Who did that? Who did that? That happens, Mama. Who did that? Oh my gosh, you spit. Who did that? Oh.